Good morning, everybody. I don't know if you can see, but we are at Walmart. We're here to share some deals. I got a list of good stuff. I'm hoping to get some freebies, hoping to get some good things. As far as I know, you guys know this, if you've been shopping at Walgreens, Walgreens doesn't really do Black Friday. They do, but it's kind of crap. So most likely the ad this week is kind of their Black Friday / week ad, but there is some good deals that you guys can do. I'm going to share with you guys on that, but we're going to go inside. I'm going to share with you guys the deals through the store, then I'll come back and show you my breakdown, any problems that I have, and then I will have a printable breakdown. Here's the thing, a lot of you guys, when I say I have a printable breakdown, I do, but sometimes I forget to link it. So if you guys just say, hey, last week I had like 50 emails saying that so-and-so is trying to get it, yeah, I forgot to link it, or I forgot to make it public, so I'm sorry, but that's just how things happen, but I will definitely be posting it this time, so let's go shopping. Here's something if you guys need it, but the Adidas is $15, and then it is on sale for 25% off, making it $11.25. There is a $2 off deal in Checkout 51, and then there's also a $2 deal in Ibotta. So you guys will end up getting just $4 off, making your price just $7.25 if you're interested in that deal. There's probably some other ones that are also the same deal situation. The Printable hand sanitizer is on sale for $2.99. We did have some printable coupons. I can't remember what they were, but we did have printable coupons. If you guys want to have the printable, there are two different digitals. I have two $1 off digitals, but if you do this deal, you have to do them in separate transactions if you plan on using both of them. So you want to use the $1 off digital, you'll end up paying $1.99, but then you get a $1 register reward when you purchase one. So it just comes out to be just 99 cents. Great deal. Make sure you guys are getting the 25% more free bottles also. My store still has these Axe Met Gel on clearance for $4.79. You'll pay $4.79, but with Ibotta there is a $2 rebate for that. And then also there is 1,500 points with Fetch Rewards, so it's $1.50. So your grand total for this just comes out to be $1.29. We have the Colgate toothpaste on sale for $3.99. They are $2 off coupons, digital coupons, otherwise you can use a $2 off insert coupon. You end up just paying $3.98 for two of them, but then you get a $4 cash rewards when you purchase two, so it comes out to be free. You can do this deal, but I think it ends up becoming free, but here you get a bigger bottle if you want to do it that way. So there you go. Here's a great deal for kids' toothpaste. The toothbrushes are included, but my store is sold out of the toothbrushes. But for the toothpaste, they are $1.99. We also we have a $1.50 off a two digital coupon that you guys want to use. You'll end up just paying, $2.48, but then you get a $2 register reward when you purchase two of the Crest products, making this just 48 cents or 24 cents each. Here we have the Purex crystals, free, 3 for $6. You guys will get them $2 a piece. Some of you might have the coupon that I think we received last week. There's a $1 off one, and then there is $2.50 off a two. So you could buy 3 of them, use those two coupons. You'll end up just paying $2.50. It comes to be 83 cents each if you want to do that deal. I don't have those coupons, but it's a great deal. Here they got some slippers. Usually these are like $7.99 or something like that, but anyways, they are regular price for $16.99. I'm not sure if they'll go down any cheaper during the sales, but you can get them for $8.49 each. I always get my stepdad a pair of slippers every year. They also have little kid ones if you want to go ahead and get them stuff too. The Ferrero Rocher is actually on sale for $9.99. There was a $1 off coupon that you guys should have received in your inserts last week. I did not receive those, but there is also, so you guys, if you use that coupon, you'll either pay $8.99 or $9.99, but there is a $1 rebate with Checkout 51, so you get those for $7.99 or $8.99 depending if you have that coupon or not. Otherwise, if you want some smaller ones, these are for 2 for $8. And it says, what ounces is this? This is 5.3, so these would not work for those, but I think these ones would if you wanted to do it that way. So the deal of the week is the Russell Stover and Whitman's. It's 50% off, making them $4.99, the same as last week. There is a $1 off a two insert coupon, I think that we got from 2 weeks ago, if you're interested in that. My app keeps saying I have a digital coupon, but I scan them and nothing pops up. Another thing, if you guys see this, these are the Caramel Roca, whatever. These are 2 for $10. My store has a lot of the $1 off two coupons if you guys want to get those, but it's an okay deal if you need to get some. If you guys need some snacks, these are actually located in the chip aisle, but we have the Werther's Original caramel popcorn. There is classic caramel and sea salt pretzel. They are 2 for $6. You'll pay $6. I thought there's a coupon out there. I'm not 100% positive, but you get $1 back with Ibotta, so you get $2 back with Ibotta, making these just $4 or $2 a piece. Same thing with this Crators. They are 2 for $6, and we do have a $1 off coupon, $1 off Ibotta rebate, so you guys will get these bags for $2 each if you want to do that deal. So we have the Pringles. The ones that say, these ones say that they're $1.99, but according to the app, they are 3 for $5. So you guys will pay $5 for it. But then there is an Ibotta deal where you get 35 cents back for the wavy or scorchin'. So you guys will get 3 bottles or 3 tins for just $3.95, or just $1.31 each if you're interested in that deal. So here we have the Lay's stacks for $1. Now if you guys remember, a while back we had a 5 off of 3 printable coupon, or not 5 off of 3, 3 off of 5 printable coupon, but we also have a 3 off of 5 digital coupon, and these count. So you end up getting 5 of them for just $2. That comes out to be just 40 cents a piece, which is a great deal. Here we have the General Mills cereal for just $1.99. Now we do have a $1 off 2 digital coupon that you guys can use. There was some insert coupons. My newspaper didn't get anything, but your final total will be just $2.98 or $1.49 if you want some General Mills cereal. Okay, so the toys are actually, they have the big signs right here, but they actually have the smaller signs for this week. But they are buy 2, you get 2 free. So you guys will actually just pay $13.98 for 4 sets of toys. That comes out to be just $3.49. Those are great prices if you need to use register rewards for fillers, or if you want to just stock up on toys. But a lot of toys, my store has a lot of toys all of a sudden, and then they're remodeling this area. But again, a lot of buy 2 at $6.99, get 2 free. So definitely check those toys out. Good morning, everybody. Hello, welcome to my channel. I hope you guys enjoyed the walkthrough. There's a lot of deals, a lot of food deals, a lot of gift deals. It just depends on what you guys want to do. I didn't get much, but I'm happy with what I got. So I'm here to share with you guys my stuff that I got with my breakdowns. So I ended up doing this because my kids love eating the popcorn, but they always take the caramel out of the Crators popcorn. So that, let's just give them this and see what it tastes like. So these were 2 for $6. You'd pay $6 for it. Now there might be an insert coupon. I think from last week I didn't get one. I can't remember from when I was doing my research. But anyways, you'd pay $6 for this, but then you can submit a $1 rebate and a $1 rebate, making these just $4 or $2 a bag, which can be an okay deal. If you guys need, you know, like giving food away for Christmas gifts and stuff, this is a pretty decent deal. Those are located by the chips, okay? Now this is a great deal. My kids absolutely love the Pringles, okay? The Pringles, but my son's like, I don't know, but he does eat these, and these are $1, okay? $1. We do have that printable coupon, or they have the insert coupon that you guys can use, but you want to use that 3 off of 5 printable or digital coupon, however you guys want to do it. You'll just get these for $2. 5 of them for $2. That comes out to be just 40 cents each. That's a great deal for chips. Great deal for chips if you guys need that, or if you guys, you know, for Thanksgiving coming up, if you need some snacks for your people. 40 cents. 40 cents. So I ended up getting the Cheerios because every time I get Honey Nut Cheerios, my kids go crazy and eat these. So these are on sale for $1.99. There is a $1 off a 2 digital coupon that you'd want to use. You'd pay $2.98 for this, making your final price just for these $1.49. Also, make sure you submit in your receipts to the General Mills app so you guys can get money for your school. Usually 10 cents an item, which is a pretty decent deal if you want to go ahead and get that. The next deal I got was the Colgate toothpaste. I ended up getting the more expensive one. So these were $3.99. I used a $2 off insert coupon and a $2 off digital coupon. Paid $3.98, but then you get a $4 cash reward, making these for free. So if you guys want to go ahead and do that. Now here's a great deal that I saw was in the store. Because when I was clipping coupons this morning, I wake up, I go to the apps, and I clip the coupons. I thought, let's see if there can be something. But we got the Crest toothpaste for kids. Now, usually they say don't pay for toothpaste, but sometimes you got to pay for the kids stuff. It's rare to get deals for the kids stuff. But anyways, these were $1.99 each. I feel like I want to brush my teeth with this. Like, it just, Strawberry Rush just sounds delicious. But anyways, there is a $1.50 off a 2 digital coupon. You would pay $2.48, making these just a $2.48. But then you get a $2 register reward, making it just 48 cents for this, which is a great deal. I also got one of these again. My store had this on clearance for $4.79. You pay $4.79 for it, but then you get $2 back with Ibotta. And then you also get 1,500 points with Fetch Rewards, making this $1.29 if you guys need that. And then I got the Printable. The Printable was $2.99. There is a $1 off digital coupon that you guys want to use. You end up paying just $1.99, but then you get a $1 register reward when you purchase one of them. So this ends up becoming just 99 cents. So now we'll start seeing deals like this stuff again. Just because they're finally getting a bunch of it. Here's the thing, I gotta make sure that my digitals came off because I had some digitals that did not come off. Okay, they did. They did. Ooh, I did not know this, but I had a $1.50 off General Mills cereal. So I got a $1.50 off, making that a little bit cheaper. So that was kind of cool. Everything else went by fine. Look at that. Okay. So my grand total came to $18.50. I paid nowhere near that. I paid probably $2 total. $2 total is what I paid. So hold on, I put my jacket out the door. So $2 total is what my actual total was. But anyways, my total came to $18.50. I got $4.15 back with points. I ended up receiving $3 worth of register rewards. With Ibotta, I received $4. With Fetch Rewards, I received 1,599 points, which comes out to be $1.59. So my grand total came to $5.76. I got just 15 items at 38 cents each. So it's an okay deal. I feel pretty happy. Make sure you guys are also scanning your receipts for Amazon. You guys, if you scan every 10, or you can scan 10 receipts a month for Amazon, and they automatically give you a $10 gift card by the end of the month. There's these guys that are parked right next to me, and their car is just dirty as all heck. It's like they went through the mud. But anyways, make sure you guys scan your receipts for the Amazon. I do have a video for it. I'm gonna try to make a video for gift cards this week, so you guys can worry about getting stuff like that. But again, give this video a big thumbs up. Thanks for watching. Hope you guys have an awesome Thanksgiving. If I don't do another Thanksgiving video for Walgreens, I don't think there's gonna be one. But again, thanks for watching. See you guys later. Bye-bye.